Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. This is just going to be a quick, short video. I just wanted to announce a new item coming to my Etsy shop. This was designed specifically for Etsy, so I'm not going to do a DIY on this. The only way to get it is on Etsy, and this is the new item. It is the Map of Monsters, and this is by Wandering Wizard Equipment, which is just a company that I kind of made up, and it sounded like it worked right into the magical world pretty well. And it has all these different mythical and magical creatures and their locations on the map. So it's just like basically a world map with a bunch of monsters on it. So yeah, this is a totally original design by me. And as this is the size it's going to be shipped to you, it's going to be printed on cardstock, a thick cardstock, and it feels pretty nice and smooth. If you're interested in getting this map, it's going to be on my Etsy shop as soon as this video drops. And I'm also restocking my Etsy shop with all of my practical pocketbook books. So like the Book of Spells, Herbology, and Chiromancy, which is palmistry, is all gonna be restocked on my Etsy shop. Also restocking the Lycanthropy pamphlet, as well as the brand new Owl Study Guide, which is gonna be on there. Everything that I'm stocking my shop with is in a limited quantity. So because I'm printing them in my studio by myself, assembling everything by myself. So if you want to get your hands on this, like I said, it is only on Etsy. I'm not going to release this one as a DIY project. Alternatively, I am going to be releasing the template for this for patrons only. Let me know what you guys think of this new item, the Map of Monsters. Go ahead and check it out on Etsy. I'm also going to post a ton of pictures of this on Instagram, so if you want to see those pictures, I'll post them there, and I've also showed you some of them during this video. I've put some of them in there, so you've seen them there too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.